Today we are visiting the eighth wonder of the world. Yes, we are here at the world's largest greenhouse, known as the Eden Project. The Eden Project is an eco-visitor attraction in Cornwall, England, United Kingdom. The project is located in a reclaimed China clay pit quarry. The Eden Project is an education charity which provides sustainable education to the public. The site consists of two vast landscape space-age greenhouses or biomes containing a variety of temperature and more than 1 million tropical plants from around the globe. It's actually the world's biggest rainforest. In captivity, biome number 1, which is the larger of the two, is the rainforest biome. We found this to be the most impressive simply because we are island girls from the tropics. This biome features hundreds of trees and plants from rainforest of South America, Asia, Africa, etc. Biome number 2, the smaller of the two, hosts fruits and plants of the Mediterranean and flowers from South Africa and California. Last but not least, there is also an outdoor garden where you will find lavender, sunflowers, and hemp. Be reminded though that this is the United Kingdom, you will only find these in spring and summertime. Unfortunately for us, we visited in the peak of winter, so they were nowhere in sight.
The road, is it water come out there?
Yeah, when rain fall and the water will come off the road.
Oh, they probably collect the rainwater, right?
Possibly if you use it, probably have a reservoir, so they use it to water the plants.
So yeah, here at the Eden Project today with my sister and my bestie. We like your GW.
Yeah, man.
And my Kira.
Yep. And the assistant Kira.
Assistant Kira. But yeah, we're going to walk around now and see what else is there. So we arrived at the Eden Project and we are entering. So here we have the visitor center and way in. So we're going down and we're going to enjoy the day out at the Eden Project.
They're not catching the beehives on the hill.
Oh yes, the beehive on the hill up there. And then we have this grand entrance here. Very grand entrance. Glenn, I would say you're supposed to drive fun.
I was going to be in a film when I done my hair.
I know.
Did you take the picture there? The forest garden. We're in our motorized vehicle. That's a reverse gear.
Shut up.
We're in manual at the moment.
Shut up. So here we have the forest garden, crops managed naturally.
Managed naturally.
It not managed naturally.
Outside, don't talk.
Glendon, how do you grow tropical fruits and bananas and stuff naturally in the UK?
They're not talking in the project itself. Outside here.
Outside here?
Yeah. Don't you see the sign? It's for out here.
I know, I'm never dry from my hat. My nose feel wet. So this way, Eden entrance. Here's my sister and Kira coming down. Kira is doing a very good job. Look at our sister sitting very comfortable. Welcome to the Eden Project. The Eden shop. We have two creatures here. Is it cobweb? Oh, that is mercy. Cashless site. London.
Yes, brother.
No matter, we are a cashless site. What is happening?
It's a dome in a valley.
It's called a biome.
Biome. Okay.
So it's a biome. So this is where we
Are
go.
we supposed to go inside? Yeah, ticket in entry.
We're not the wrong place. You're coming at the coffee.
We're going on next side.
Yeah.
I think we're supposed to go on the other side.
I was gonna say.
This is the cup and the eating area.
Yeah, ticket in entry.
That's right. Then so we'll go.
When die.
Oh, here so.
Wait, when we go to Germany or something like that, we're going in.
Oh, the dome, right?
The lights, you see the lights of the sea.
The Wild Edge Korea. Welcome to the gardens outdoor.
Yeah, I can't cut it short because as a professional tear, I'm going to see everything.
It's pretty down here.
Yeah, well groomed. Well manicured, well groomed.
Well, if I pay £32.50 for coming here, it has to be.
Everything is labeled. Chairs. That's here that we need to go.
I'm just
I think there is if you use the lift. Yeah, break, yeah, break.
Yeah, may I give a small break? Go.
No, don't break, run it.
Run it. Run it. Before you tell me, sister, be careful, eh? Don't tell me about run it. Run it.
You want to try it? Nice, you see?
Down the hill we go.
I'm enjoying my time here.
Look, dog, this little thing.
Look in here. Look,
Hey. We're having fun.
having fun.
Look.
I'm having a wheelchair ride today.
Yeah. She is.
Yeah, we're visiting the Eden Project. And because of my bad hips, it's a lot of walk. So I get a wheelchair today.
So today,
And
Island Sister is at
I
work.
have my carer here.
Yeah, see?
But you know what, with a wheelchair, look
See?
who come in free. The carer.
Yes, free drive, free go. It's good
With the
to be the
wheelchair,
carer.
the carer come
Enjoy
in free.
being the carer.
But yeah, it's beautiful. We're enjoying it. It's written over here. So now that we have entered the Eden Project, and it's been described as pit to paradise transformation. So here used to be a clay pit, which is this picture here. So from a clay pit to paradise. But yeah, in 1999, the first 2 months, it rained solidly for 43 million gallons of water drained into the pit. Wow. So yeah. But yeah, bit to see there, history of it. From pit to paradise. Now we're going to see what paradise looks like.
This is the garden.
The green family tree. Meet the ancestors. All right. Time period around 3.5 billion years ago. History. Is it lie or truth? But yeah, it's quite beautiful down here. The entrance is grand, I must say. Beautiful entrance. We have two little cuties going by. Man, that look like one of them old long time pit toilet, eh?
And they're all bust up.
I know. This is, so what was this? Nothing. Here can we turn
This
your
way you
asses.
can go sit down.
I know, so when the sun hot up here. So yeah, we're coming from there.
The trees are nice. Eh?
We have a
Thing in the
spider.
This one. Wow, look at this spider.
Flower power.
You see, take it.
Oh yeah, I did get it. Huge spider there. Made from scrap metal, I presume. Yeah, first time experience it in our climate change challenge. Whatever this is about. Is climate change true or lie? Is it fact or
There's another
fiction?
spider.
That's a bug die.
That's right. It's a bug.
This is not a bug from a spider.
And this one is like what you chop in the coffin.
Is it?
Karen, no, it's not.
Do not climb. The climate emergency. No, something about climate this and climate that. I mean, I know who caused more damage to the climate than the rich man. The wealthy folks. Poor people not damage the climate. And then live and use the little resources that they have. Some of them they've never set foot on one plane.
Which way no, Karen?
I think we go anywhere we please. We could go from the last and up there. So.
Yes. Oh, if it's one thing, this is the first time since I've been in
Yeah, first day we've been feeling the cold, right?
It's cold down here.
Yep. It is cold. The invisible world. The core. See what's in this big dome. The invisible world. The core. Oh, see what's in here. So we're entering the invisible world here. Automatic door. We're going in. Oh, revealing the world beyond our senses. Too big, too small, too fast, too slow, too far. Away space. Oh, let's see what awaits us as we enter here. Man, I think I can leave my wheelchair here.
Do you want to?
I'm not gonna walk, yes. But you can, yeah.
Alright, come out then.
I'm just looking at this all day. Here we have the invisible world. I think this is more for kids. Kids are having fun here. Don't know what this is. Please do not climb, thank you.
This big box store.
I know, the invisible world. Whatever this is, part of the invisible world, the plan for humanity. Made from stone. Yes, stone. Yes. That's the big stone. It's called Seed. Done by Peter Randall Page. Big stone that we just looked at. I'll show them deliver it.
Born in
See
the
how they
UK
deliver it
in
here?
1954 and studies sculpture. Look on the smile on my face.
Let me see it.
That's my brain. I'm glad we don't make me care a job.
A nice running small stream here.
One big doctor fish there.
This one big fish?
Allow me to tell her.
Yeah, this is it. Work going on too. I find the £32.50 is ridiculous.
No worth it. No wonder why them say you can get what? Free what? The
Yeah, we have it free for a year.
Huh?
Free for 1 year. No, it's quite nice though, this bit here. Oh, see, ice skating here down.
Things on here for the children.
Oh, there's ice skating going on. Let's just look and come out. So there's ice skating going on here at the Eden project. So there's things to do while you're here. There's a bit of ice skating going on.
Around here.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not really ever going the other way. We can see outside. Yeah. So here's the entrance for the biome. So this big dome looking thing is the biome. So we're going to go into the biome and see what's in there.
Which way you want to walk?
We can't go there, so where does the wheelchair go? Oh, up here. This way for the biome.
Where's Glenn?
So we're going to enter the biome. It's a biome there.
Cabbage
You see cabbage?
in front of you here.
That's not cabbage, Dan.
Brussels sprouts.
That's not Brussels sprouts
It
either.
is, it said it.
Oh, Brussels sprouts and leek.
And leeks.
Oh,
It was cabbage.
so here we have Brussels sprouts here and leeks. Oh wow. So now we're entering the rainforest biome and the Mediterranean biome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I know. Food and drink. And
Where to now? Rainforest. Don't push this.
yeah, we
Here I
need
need
more
to
than
eat.
ice cream, eh?
Huh?
After you don't push this, you need more than ice cream. So yeah, we're going to the rainforest biome down here. Oh, it should be beautiful. Is that door down?
Huh?
And here's a little shop if you want to do a bit of shopping. But we ain't shopping, we already spent £32.50.
You know, you smell garnish musty.
May I tell you, smell body?
Door. So now,
This is the rainforest biome.
ooh,
What does it smell like? Mmm.
I'm probably gonna need to take off some of these clothes.
Feels very warm under here. What's this on the floor?
I think
Lime?
I am going to get to take off the
Ooh.
scarf.
Oh, the whole plant named elephant plant. So here we have the elephant plant. You like that humid feel, but it's wet. the fossils. Bugs and lizards.
Rainforest creature. We're gonna see any.
What kind of bird this is? How cute this little one is.
There's more than one over there.
He's eating something.
Look at him. He's very cute.
There's more than one.
Oh, hello. Oh my.
How cute that little birdie is.
They're not in for little bugs.
Yeah, they're always looking for bugs, aren't they?
He's even tame.
I know, right? Look what we found here in the biome at the Eden Project. Looking for food. Hello. Hi. This is what coconuts look like in the biome at the Eden Project. Tropical fruit growing here in England. Really now. A tree of life, providing food, drink, fuel, cosmetics, medicine, and everything else. This is not always grown in the Caribbean for sure. This is abuse to the coconut tree. Cruelty. Needs sunlight. See around here, this banana. Yeah, what's the chocolate in a minute? That's right. We're gonna see chocolate tree in a minute. So yeah. I see the dasheen or cocoa there. Plant in there. We have the Madagascar periwinkle. Never heard of it before. They say it's good for childhood leukemia. Medicinal plant. Is this dasheen or cocoa? There's no name. Queensland umbrella tree. So why is this? Why doesn't this have a name? Here we have sweet potato. Somewhere here on the soil. Is that sweet potato anyone? Growing here in the biome. Yeah, we see turmeric.
I don't even think I know them these ones.
I don't people come to bring here. I don't know. And they're not supposed to bring plants and stuff in it.
Telling
You know the country. But they can't bring them here.
That's science.
Seychelles, busy Lizzie. That's what it's called. Cocodemia. If you notice, it have the little slight mark in the middle. Joshy normally have the purple. Maybe the root. Maybe it's the root that gives the warmth and all of the palm trees. Yeah, to eat. That's why Jessica say a greenhouse.
Mankind make everything.
Bad them bad. Inside here is soaking wet. I think even winter time it probably is. They have a lot of water. This must be natural rainwater though, isn't it? No water here. Rushing, gushing under this bridge that we're standing on. Yeah, proper stream. We have a running stream here in the middle of the rainforest. So now we're in Southeast Asia. See what's in here. We have the bamboo. We have the common bamboo. This is a bamboo plant here. This is the Southeast Asia section of the biome. So in Jamaica we call these the pustail. They're here in the biome. Don't know what they're called, but they're not even red. They're pink. Got some insects on here. And the same are these ants? So yeah, look at this rose here. No name, but yeah. I think we spot a papaya tree here. Papaya growing in the UK in Cornwall. The Eden Project biome papaya. So we have it on tree. And I think we spot some banana trees over here. And these are common flowers from the Caribbean. Yep. And I know this too. This is another common flower we have back home. I don't see that. See it here, taro. What it they call them? Taro. And got lots of sweet potato though. More sweet potato. I don't think they know what it is. That's why they not label them. What we call it, Dasheen? And you remember this one, Diane? This one? Yeah. You know, I make one chain. I make one bangle. We used to use these made chains and bangles home. What's it called? Here I think we have a pumpkin. Oh, we had pumpkin. Yeah, this looks like a pumpkin leaf the other day when winter was starting to catch them. They start to get burned. Yes, well, look at the tree. Here we have more banana trees. Banana tree. Banana trees over there. And we haven't seen any apple tree and we haven't seen any ackee tree. Dan, come and look here. Did you? Did you? The Chinese Jimbilin. Put it in here.
Make it fucking people them pass through, you know. Why you want to pick you off there?
We want it to eat.
Who tell you say you can't eat it?
It can be eaten, a fruit, tropical fruit. There I have it. I pick it. I pick it.
Not even good.
I pick it. Let me eat.
Then drop off and go on the ground anyway.
I just picked this here. I'm going to eat it because they're dropping off the tree and rotten. And I'm going to eat this one. I pick it from that limb there. That limb!
Come on now, you get jam self.
Then supposed to
Heard you not eat it now.
just pick this here. I'm going to have some. All the poor banana leaf. Look at the leaf of the banana get red. It's not good. Look at this here. Nice running stream inside here. Where do I get all this water from though? But this, I'm sure this is all man-made.
It tastes a lot.
What's this? I'm meant to war with Hunter. I don't know what this is here. A little history lesson. Comes Island Sister, me and sis here at the Eden Project in the, this is what, the rainforest biome. I just picked this fruit here from a tree and sis think I shouldn't eat it, but I'm going to eat it. You all know this fruit growing here in the biome. It's gonna be eaten. Yes? No, I'm picky. This is a proper real bamboo plant, yeah? Growing here in the UK.
Very solid.
In the rainforest biome.
Right.
Solid bamboo.
Solid bamboo.
The real deal. Solid bamboo. Is the Arak Indian? Sissy Arak Indian somewhere. Here is the Arak Indian. A nomadic pen and hunter gathered in Sarawak, Malaysia.
Using a blow up.
Leaving Asia and we're entering West Africa.
Journey.
Past timber, fruits, nut trees. And my African ancestors, look what they did to them. Yeah, look at this. Because we're entering the African jungle in the biome. Yes. Here we have the umbrella tree. Have a look. Look at the leaves as I go up the tree. Umbrella tree. called because of how the leaves are spread and grown. Here we have more banana. Banana came from Africa, West Africa, in fact. You find the ackee tree?
Yes.
Sis find the ackee tree. Ah, is it true?
Yeah.
Ah, here is the ackee
National
tree.
fruit of Jamaica.
The ackee tree. So it's, you see, most of our stuff are from, damn, look at this. Are from West Africa. You remember this one?
Did you see that? The national fruit of Jamaica,
is,
where
but-
the creamy texture of fruit is coming, even in saltfish.
Where is the
And
actual
rice
tree?
fruit
I
are
can't
ones
see the tree.
used to make. See it near that big tree.
It's not that big tree.
Huh?
It's this little wingy one here.
Is it?
This little wingy one. So if people even come here, they don't know which flipping tree is ackee tree. Because it's not that big one. It's this little wingy one. Just look at the leaves. Look at the leaves. It's this little wingy one. This is the never grow ackee in England.
Or this one?
Yeah, it's that little wingy one. If I come in here and I don't know a ackee tree, right? And I see this sign here says ackee tree. This tree is amongst many other trees.
You don't even
This
know
is not a ackee tree. This big one here in the middle is not a ackee tree. How would I know which tree is a ackee tree? This is bullshit. £32.50 to come in here. This is the
What
ackee
this?
tree.
I
What
did-
this one?
this the one on my own?
Yeah, the one you're holding on to. But how do you know which one? Put the damn sign on the tree then, but you can't just jam it there so. I expect somebody who don't know ackee tree to come in here and identify it. It's stupidness.
Not true.
That is absolute nonsense.
Jamaica, it said here.
No, because they don't
Oh,
eat
West
it.
Africa,
They were
yeah.
scared of eating it because they thought it was poisonous.
Poisonous.
So they didn't know how to prepare it or how to eat it. But it's the Africans, they take it from there to Jamaica. But Jamaicans, because we're so clever, we know if to prepare it and eat it. Here is African eggplant. This here is African eggplant. Look at the African eggplant. African eggplant, this one here.
Bitter leaf here, bitter leaf, it says. Bitter leaf, we're gonna make soup. Then you
Here we have a West African shop over here. It's a West African shop here in the biome.
this shopping. Cocoa, furniture. Coke, then name them.
Here we have our coca beans.
Cocoa.
Coca beans. Coca beans in the biome. Here is the cocoa plant. Chocolate tree. We call this in Jamaica chocolate tree. But the posh name is cocoa. Cacao. 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 People of the forest, the Baka people live in the rainforest of the Cameroon, the Congo Basin, and Gabon. Hey. Look at the coffee tree. Hey, also the coffee tree. And there's coffee beans on there as well. Here we have some coffee beans on the coffee tree here in the biome. Coffee growing in the UK. Coffee growing in the UK. Robusta coffee tree. So this is from West Africa too, right? So here we have the rainforest and canopy walkway. So we have a bridge over here. You can go around and have a walk. And we're coming from down here. So we left West Africa. Oh, I didn't notice the cool room. Who noticed the cool room down there? We saw some ackee trees, coffee trees, and lots more. Cocoa, papaya, which is just there. Brendan, what have you not seen? Sis over here.
Breadfruit tree.
Glenn, so we haven't seen any breadfruit tree. What else have you not seen?
They pretend as if only coffee.
I haven't seen any apple trees.
Pretend as if it's only.
And we have some smoking going on over there. I don't know what that is. So we're comparing this biome dome to tropical island in Germany. And if anyone has been to tropical island in Germany, I think this is a copycat. I think that was a bird food dropping on my clothes, but it's water. Yeah, we even saw cockroaches in tropical islands.
Canary birds.
Canary birds. What else
They
did
have
we see there?
beaches,
There was beaches,
artificial river,
rivers,
mountain. They have a mountainous area like the rock.
the rock here.
Yeah, but it's in there.
But this is a
You have a trek.
this is copycat. This is copycat. Island sister up there.
Yeah.
What's on here, Diane? What's written on there? The African countries? People name. A happy 68 and all of that. This is the wall of fame.
Hey.
I wonder how much they pay to put these here. This is a death stone. So we have death stone, birthstone, anniversary stones. I must have to pay to get this done. You saw a banana? Well, now we see bananas growing on trees. You didn't see it. I saw it. So here we have papaya again. Ah, there's a turn one. I'm going to pick it. There's a beautiful papaya. Turn, Glenn. Come pick that one here for me. I am going to pick it.
Oh, yeah.
Watch if I'm not going to reach it. Watch and see. Here we have banana growing on tree in the UK. Can you see the banana? In the biome at the Eden Project, we have an actual banana growing on tree here. Well, I'm gonna go pick up a papaya now, yeah? It fascinates her. This one fascinates my sister. She doesn't know what it is, but she's very fascinated with it, and the fact it's dangling. Very fascinated with it, and the fact that it's dangling. She said clever how they make this place. So we were down there earlier, sitting on that bench next to the ackee tree. Now we're up. Oh wow, look at that big chocolate. I wish I could pick it to go and eat. Why is this thing shaking like this? So here I am now on this bridge up here. Walking. Don't know what we'll see. This is ahead of me. But yeah, we're in the biome here at the Eden Project. We've seen some tropical trees and fruits. Banana, haki, but there was no haki fruit on the tree. We saw cocoa. There were a lot of cocoa and coffee on trees. We saw some African nutmeg. We haven't seen any apple tree yet. We haven't seen any coconut, jelly coconuts or coconuts. Here's another little bridge, a swing bridge. Now we're gonna go over. Sis is already going across in West Glen. So we're gonna go across this little swing bridge here. But yeah, this is in the biome. Oh, look at the views over there. Views over there. Lovely views. But yeah, we find this fascinating. Like this one here is the wedding. Oh, golden wedding in 2017. Swan John. So I'm sure they pay to get these done in here. I'm sure they do. So now for me to go across the swing bridge, my sister's already gone across. So now I'm making my way over this bridge here. It's a long time that I haven't walked on a swing bridge, you know. It's a little bit shaky. Ratted. Wait. Need to hold on here, so. Wait, this is bad now. Why when it just entered it was okay and now it gets so terrible? Because you can't cross already, I laugh, eh? My bestie coming wobbling behind. Look at Krill one, they go cross already and experience our drama. Oh, but I laugh, eh? Why does it get so bad in the middle? Outside. No, sir. Oh, wow. That was an adventure. I got a bit dizzy just now. Ooh.
You enjoy it?
Not the middle, after the middle become a wicked bug out now.
Great excitement.
Are you that do it?
Yeah, because the part.
I know too. On a wicked bug out now. On a wicked. That's how this one wobbly, so. On a too wicked. Damn wicked. Where are you going? Oh, you want to look in
When
here?
you go far in the hills,
Sun reflection.
yeah, you get
Clouds.
They just make them fake clouds.
So here we have clouds. We are almost in the sky, so we have fake clouds. So
That would probably be the cirrus clouds, you know, the light feathery clouds that float high. Then this one would probably be cumulus.
Cumulus nimbus.
Then these are nimbus or nimbus stratus. Those are would be the low-lying gray clouds that saturates and fall as rain.
So all about clouds. Oh, oh, oh.
Those may replicate probably volcanic
Is it?
activity.
Oh.
When you're in the mountains, you would have volcanic activity where steams and
So a bit steamy here. Going through the clouds. Ooh, is this good to inhale? You think it's an evaporation process? Yes. Do you smell it? Do you smell it? Do you?
yep. So it's replicating probably an evaporation process where
Warm air rises with moisture.
and that's how the clouds are created
Beyond my thoughts.
before saturating and falling as rain.
This is lately.
That was an experience
People
there.
can come and get married here too.
It was a bit of an experience there.
Water open a tree, bark a tree to the leaf.
Well,
Then
here it says flood defenders. Roots and soil hold onto water like a sponge.
yeah, because the roots hold the water and hold the land together.
See there, rivers in the sky. Water evaporates from the leaves. Did we? Alright, let's go this side.
So it's just a show you a course for kids to learn.
Yeah, yeah. Did I say zip line?
Hey, this. You zip line what?
Did I say zip line?
No, I think me hear you say something about zip line.
Oh, I remember that.
Then we need to extend it, man, and add these.
There's not a variety. You see too many of these.
And make it become an activity. Keep money.
You see, we should be able to go have a swim now, isn't it? Oh, so this is welcome to Costa Rica. Welcome to Costa Rica. Here's the jungle girl. She's in Costa Rica, in the biome, at the Eden Project. At the man-made, all man-made. So we're here enjoying Costa Rica in the biome at the Eden Project.
It's unfortunate that we don't see anything representing Jamaica. Yeah.
So now we are entering Costa Rica, and quite nice little sanctuary here. This is Costa Rica in Cornwall in the biome, and here we have Costa Rica house up here. Nice little wooden house. This is Costa Rica. This is where body, mind, soul, and nature is intertwined and at one with itself. So we're leaving Costa Rica. Oh, there's a lot more going on in the house. You can see a wine glass, I can see a towel. There's a lot going on in the little Costa Rican house up here. So we're leaving Costa Rica and going out. Huh? What is the Panama tree? A whole heap of step, that man. A whole heap? How much is it?
Currently it's 19 degrees.
Inside here?
Yes.
What's
And
the temperature here?
98%.
I felt the humidity, to be honest. It's very humid in here. Here's Costa Rican guava. Is there any guava on here?
No.
Because I'll pick one. It's a Costa Rican guava time.
This is to replicate a mini landslide.
You think?
Yes, you know, you see the tree trunk on the whole of the land.
Okay, here's a mini landslide going on here. Why does it have to be in Costa Rica?
That's why it's beer. You know, like in the
Why is it in Costa Rica?
Mm.
And not Jamaica?
Fruits eventually start growing on the tree.
So from the time when I'm in here, I only find one edible fruit.
Yeah, that's a papaya.
I'm pay £32.50. But I couldn't reach it and I never want to climb the tree. I'm going to pay £32.50. Come in here. I want to leave with one edible fruit. No, I not like that, Glenn.
So you want to go up here, sir?
Me need.
When you go up there, say this,
Sis is not as brave, so she's not going up here. But Glenn went. I don't have good hips, so I'm not going up there. But sis is a little coward. See there? Coward. Coward. She paid £32.50 to get in here and don't want to have the full experience. So look, this is the roof of the Bayadome. Where is it? Is this a trumpet tree, Glenn? Yeah, here's a trumpet tree. I haven't seen trumpet tree in a long time. We used to have a lot of these. Is it the trumpet tree woodpecker normally knock out and put thing in? Yeah. Yeah, this is a trumpet tree. We have these back home. This is what woodpecker set up the nest in, isn't it? It is a trumpet tree.
Just look at those leaves.
The leaves, and you see how they try and curl?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, here's a trumpet tree in the biome. Wow. What did we used to use a trumpet tree leaf for back home? Was it when we have mums? Was it the trumpet tree leaf we used to put the warm ashes in? I think it's when you have mums, they used to put the warm fire coal ashes in there and tie it around your face. It does look like a camera system.
Run around and
Yeah. So we actually finished one leg of the journey. Getting out of here. So if this is only the rainforest, it's huge over here. This takes you a whole day. This is quite big here. Here we find a soursop on a tree. Look at the soursop here on the tree. That's a soursop here. Wow. That's a soursop tree there. They're showing on artificial sauce. It's okay. My best to say this is how you justify a real soursop tree. There's always a ants crawling on a soursop tree. So this is it. This is a real soursop tree here in England, in the biome, the Eden Project. Because there's ants actually crawling on the tree.
There's a magic plant. I'll pick some. Way back.
This is medicinal plant, cures
Yeah, make
cancer.
some tea.
So gonna get a limb. So I'm gonna pick some soursop leaf here. Make some tea when I get back to my lodge.
Way back.
They did not tell me not to pick fruit or leaves from trees. So I'm going to help myself to some soursop leaf here. Ah, help myself to some soursop. I'm not running. Make some soursop leaf tea with this. Yay! Soursop leaf. I got it here. It's going in the bag. Right in the bag. Make tea and take some back to London. Sis. It did not say don't pick or take anything. That's why I like go. That's why I like go with Glenn.
Look like them probably gone for lunch. If you were sure, we're going to put it, go thief banana.
We never got thief banana. We got cut banana. Here we have a mahogany tree.
Those are not leaves.
Real solid
Those are not leaves.
wood.
It's another plant.
It's another plant, isn't it? Like the thingy, another plant onto it. What you call it when they do this, Glenn?
In Jamaica, we would say scan the earth because they don't grow in the earth.
The tropical South America, which is the rainforest of the world.
This is in Brazil and Guyana. I think you can expand to Guyana.
Well, here they only say Brazil.
Yes, but some of it is in Guyana, have a bit of the rainforest, but majority is in Brazil. You know?
Is it my eyes are right here? Looks a bit smoky.
It's misty.
Oh,
Then that's how the rainforest is, so they must have created.
all of them though, they're all from West Africa. So here we have a plantain tree and lots of coffee. Look at green coffee on tree. Green coffee. Even ripe coffee up here. Ripe coffee. I thought you were going to say it's a fish and chips day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll find one. I want to know if this is yam here. Actually, it looks like yam, but they say it's black pepper. Or I think these look like yam. I've never actually seen black pepper grown. And that one looks like gimbalin. There's that one. Like a little gimbalin. And come around here. See? Tropical fruits. Papaya. Look. See? Tropical fruits. See them? Pineapple. And I'm gonna see my favorite sugarcane. But this is my favorite sugarcane. Can you see sugarcane? Sugarcane in England. Here, I'll find a breadfruit tree. One of my favorite. It's here.
See, the ants love find the soursop, the man.
A breadfruit.
Yeah.
Is there any breadfruit on the tree to pick?
No.
The breadfruit.
No, sis, there ain't no breadfruit.
This
No,
one.
no, is this pimento?
Breadfruit, huge breadfruit tree
This one here.
in the
I'm not
UK.
sure.
Cornwall.
No, it's not soursop.
I want this one to show for my daughter.
Oh.
In Australia, they use it in prisons.
Oh, yes,
They
these
are-
are the roots when they
I
get...
see it when I watch on
Alone.
TV, like in
Yeah.
Africa.
Yeah.
That's when I see
They're
the
amazing.
pop up.
Mango tree. See mangoes. We got mango tree here. But we haven't got any mangoes on the tree. That's a shame. Because I could eat some mango. See? People have cultivated mango trees for thousands of years. Mango's fruit contain over 20 minerals and vitamins. So have a look. The mangoes over here. That is the mango trees. See? And up here we have the avocado.
avocado tree, but there's no avocado inside. No avocado for me to eat and enjoy. But there, avocado. We call it pear in the Caribbean. Well, in Jamaica we call it pear, but here it's avocado. And up here is some more. Let's go see. What's this one? Banana. Which we know. Banana tree. Banana. Ooh. Look at this juicy banana. My sister would love this one, huh? You wanna see? Let's give you a close-up of the banana. Bring it closer. There is the banana. Let's come down. And that's the head bit of the banana. Can you see? That one is the goonie fruit. Have a look at the goonie fruit right there. Look at this little boat. And then we're going around. And here is turmeric. We find black pepper. I've never seen a black pepper plant before. So that is a black pepper plant. And over here is spices and herbs. Look, cinnamon is over here. You can see the cinnamon. And here is, and you've got the bay rum tree, which is this big tree. Look like this big tree here. Bay rum. I've never seen a bay rum tree before. And this is all the spices that they have here. Let's have a look at the names first. Let's run it along. And then on the glass, they show you all the little spices. It's a bit dark. Oh, nutmeg, pimento, black pepper, coriander. And all the rest of them. Wow, this round here is like a proper coffee field. It's got loads of different coffee. Look. This is how my dad plants coffee in the Caribbean. My dad used to be a coffee farmer, so I'm used to coffee. Look at all these trees. Lots of coffee trees around here. And this is the what they look like. Different kinds of coffee. Look, I wanted to pick one ages ago. Look. Whew, full of ants. Jesus Christ, the ants. Hey! I should not pick it then, should I? I'm giving it a little smell, see?
We have some sugar cane. All right, Glenn, you see how they're clever? Look how close the sugar cane is to the roof. Did you notice that? Then you don't think we can cut one?
Any knife to cut the sugar cane?
Goes so quickly though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Definitely.
Looking down the road.
So now we're entering the Mediterranean biome. Then maybe we might get custard apple down here. Obviously there's not gonna be much to see around here.
No, the national tree is the...
Some lemons, I've never seen lemon as massive as this one on this tree, but hey, we're in the Mediterranean biome. Loads more lemons here. Hey, me can get some of this, wash me here. I eat. No tuna, Glenn. I eat CM1.
Right, I see him on a tuna.
I see.
See now, watch me. Hey, when Diana come and see, so we are going to go to Diana. Yeah, yeah,
So this is the Mediterranean basin section of the Mediterranean biome. It's very interesting in here. Lots of herbs and spices. But yeah,
Orange fruits.
we have a beautiful time in here. Lots of oranges, cork, olives. Yep.
Yeah, I think it's great.
You notice the soil? So here, welcome to the Mediterranean biome. And we're about to leave the Mediterranean biome and get out of here. It was beautiful, but we're leaving. A little restaurant slash eatery inside the entrance of the biome. It's quite quaint, beautiful. We're heading out of here now. I think we've had enough for the day. It's been good. Not sure if it's for £32.50, but it's very interesting. We just finished the biome and now we're outside. So we're gonna just have a look around now to see what else is here to see. And then we will leave and head back home to our lodge.
Yeah.
But it was beautiful here. It's worth a visit, but I don't think the cost justifies what's here. There could be a bit more here, but it was okay.
All of the valley should be a dome. So
You think all of the valley should be a dome?
dome should start from over there, go right up
All of,
over there.
you mean all of the pit should be a dome? Standing in the middle outside, doing a 360 here.
People can come on up a day out here. See why they
Yeah, you could easily, but it's not worth £32.50. I don't think so. I don't think so.